All right, time to put the pods back on. Remember, these are just the little feet that move back and forth and do all the work. As we talked about earlier on replacing the shoes, she's got some brand new shoes on here, looking good. Now let's go and see how it goes back into the frame here at the bottom. So, these are keyed a little bit here too. Flat on one side, round on the other. One of the ways to test to see if your pods are good, and I'll show you after I get them back on, is to make sure that they're stiffly attached to the A-frame stems. Now, obviously you could put them on incorrectly, I guess, but I don't know. Even as a layman, this probably doesn't look right to you. All right? They should actually go like this. Now, how do they help you make sure that that happens? Well, cleverly. It actually says R right there. Okay? And several places throughout the cleaner you're going to see an indication that this is the right and this is the left, or right and left, or however it appears on your computer screen. So we're going to take the right here and place it, straight there. Look at that, look at that. Right on, boop, there. And then to set it home, don't forget all you're going to need are the screws, 1/4-inch nut driver, and remember your power drill. Take your little bit off, it becomes the 1/4-inch nut driver. So we're going to put it in here. And again, seriously, make sure that your torque is on the very least setting and then move it up slowly or you'll send the screw halfway through the cleaner. There we go. Yep. Make sure you got a magnetic one. Doesn't matter, these are aluminum screws. There we go. And there we go. That's beautiful. Now, to finish it up, and again, right, so I'm going to bring my right wing in, over, under this nib, over the hook, little pod plug right there, and I like to give it a little love tap, and all you're going to do is repeat the procedure on the other side, and you will have 2 beautifully assembled pods with wings.